Welcome to BE iLab channel. Today, we're diving into data visualization using Matplotlib with a focus on stairs plot. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support enables us to keep producing helpful tutorials. Let's get started with the tutorial. In the first cell, we'll import the NumPy library as NP and the Matplotlib library as PLT. Next, we need to generate sample data for visualization. We start by creating one set of X values and two sets of Y values. Additionally, we use np.arrange 0 and 15 to create an array of integers from 0 to 14. This plot type is useful for displaying data that changes in discrete steps. By running this code opens a window to visualize the plot, allowing you to see the data graphically. Now, we create this visualizes values 1 and values 2 as steps, with heights corresponding to the values in the arrays. After that, we create a figure with a width of 3 inches, a height of 4 inches, and a resolution of 300 dpi. Then, this line sets the default font for all plots to Times New Roman. after creating stair plots for values 1 and values 2 with specified styles. The plots have a line width of 2, with values 1 in dark green and values 2 in orange with 50% transparency, both using dashed lines. Now, we add labels and a title. These functions label the x-axis and y-axis and set the plot's title, respectively. These lines set the font size to 10 and the font weight to bold for the x-axis label, y-axis label, and the plot title. Next, we add a legend to the plot with label stairs 1 and stairs 2, corresponding to the two stair plots. By running this code, we add a grid to the plot with a line width of 0.2. After that, these lines set the x-axis limits from 0 to 15 and the y-axis limits from 0 to 10. Next step, we generate a list of strings and edges with elements E0 to E15. Finally, we rotate the labels on the x-axis by 45 degrees. Thank you for joining us on this stack plot data visualization journey. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. If you have questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Also, you can find code examples on our GitHub page. Stay curious and engaged. We'll see you in the next video.